When it comes to customer service, my wife and I have had some real hit or miss experiences with a bunch of companies. But from the minute the receptionist at Bay City Windows answered the phone, we felt that these folks were going to be great. They're real professionals who know how to listen, how to ask the right questions. Basically, they just know how to take care of their customers. But what really set Bay City apart was having their consultant call us directly to schedule our appointment, rather than scheduling it with the receptionist. That gave us a chance to get to know our consultant, Gina, and ask her some important questions right away. Honestly, Gina was terrific. She's friendly, caring, easygoing, really knowledgeable. But most importantly, it was obvious that she was truly interested in us. She was just a pleasure to work with. She introduced us to a whole range of beautiful windows, doors, and window fashions, which gave us plenty of possibilities. Bay City wasn't the highest or the lowest bid we got, but we think it was definitely the best. We know a couple of other folks who have worked with them. They all have the same high opinion. It's just a great company.